Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a music video from no copyright songs and no copyright image, and how to edit it in Filmora 10. So hopefully I will give you some information on how to make a music video on YouTube with just free resources. Okay, so I'm going to show you step by step on where to get the music file and where to get the image and how to edit it in the software and how to export it and upload it to your YouTube channel. So hopefully it will be helpful for a beginner who don't know anything about making YouTube video and you want to start a music channel or stuff like that. Okay, so the first step, I want to show you where to get the free and no copyrighted music first. And so here I am on YouTube, and the first thing, you want to go to your YouTube studio. So here is at my icon here, I can click the YouTube studio. Okay, so when you are at your YouTube studio, click here at the audio library. So this is YouTube audio library, which is free to use. By the way, there's some limitation here at the license type. So make sure that you have to select the video that does not require credit. Otherwise you have to copy the credit and put it in your video description to avoid copyright strike. The first thing, I want to select the filter here and click the genre. I can change the genre here. So we're going to select cinematic and then apply. Now you need to listen to all the songs here and select one of them. It's up to you. It depends on you. By the way, I have just download this song, Last My Mood from Nico Stab. So I'm going to use this song, so I can click this button to download it. Okay, so this is a file. It is in my downloaded folder. And the next thing, we want to find an image and an overlay to use in your video also. And here's another place you can get free and no copyrighted image, video and music. It is pixabay.com. So I'm going to go to the website here, and then I'm going to select the image from here. By the way, you can select music and video also. By the way, I just want to get a photo or image here. So what I'm going to type here is girl, and then I can press enter. So there are many beautiful girls here. You can use any of them as a background of your video. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down because I think this one is a good one, because I already download this image to my computer and make another tutorial for my Vietnamese channel. So we're going to use it for our video. I'm going to click here, free download, because we can use this for commercial use and no attribution is required also. Okay, so click free download, and then you select a high-res image, and this one should be okay because my video will be 1080p. Okay, I can click download, and then I can check here, I'm not a robot, and then I'm going to click download again. So now we have a music file and an image of this sad girls already. Okay, so the next thing, we want to put them into the software for editing. So the software I'm going to use is Filmora 10 as always, because my channel is always about Filmora 10 and CAMTASIA and some basic software for creating video. Okay, so we are going to open Filmora 10, and I'm going to close all this thing first because we don't need them anymore, and wait for the program to start. Okay, so here is my Filmora 10, and talking about Filmora 10, give me some second because I want to let you know that they have a very special deals now for Christmas and New Year's. They offer 40% discount coupon code, lifetime license. So now you need to pay only $47.99 US for lifetime. So I could put the link for the deals and coupon for this software at the description. And you need to hurry up because the deals will end on January 8th, 2022. Okay, all right, so let's continue with our tutorial. So the first thing, you want to select an aspect ratio for your video first. In this case, we are going to select 16:9 because my video is 1080p 16:9. Okay, and then you need to click here to create a new project. So I'm going to click here, and then we can import our image and music file to this media library. Okay, to do that you can click this button, but there's another way. You can just open the web browser and then right click at the image and click show in folder, because there's the file. This is the music file, and this is the image that we are going to use for this project. So we just need to drag and drop it into the media library. Alright, so that's very nice. And the next thing, we want to bring all of them to the timeline. So let's select all of them and drag and drop them onto the timeline. I'm sorry. And for the image, we want to use to create a pan and zoom effect for the image first. So what I'm going to do is to extend the duration of the image here to full length of the video. So it would be right here. Okay, and now we want to use the crop tools in Filmora 10. So I'm going to select the image and then select the crop tools here and select pan and zoom, and then we can change the ending point and starting point with this button. Okay, so now we have start and end, and we need to select the aspect ratio also. Change it to 16:9. Okay, and then adjust it a little bit. For the end point, I want to have it slowly zoom in at this position. Okay, and let's play it. Just slowly zoom in. I think for me it's okay, but it's up to you. You can adjust it like the way you want. Okay, and then we can click OK. And now we have an image and the music file ready. And the next thing, I want to add some snow to the video and add a logo on the top right corner of the video. Okay, so first thing, to add a snow to your video, it is very easy now, because we have Filmora 10.7 and Wondershare added some free pack that we can download it from FilmStock. So all we need to do is to go to the element here and then find your FilmStock folder down here. There's the free pack that I downloaded from FilmStock. If you don't have it yet, you can download it. I have another tutorial on how to download free pack from FilmStock also. I will put it at the corner of the video. Okay, so we're going to select this one, the Christmas green screen, and we have some snow here. 1, 2, 3. So first thing, I want to use this one. Just drag and drop it right here, and now we have a snow on our video like this, and snow is falling. It is very beautiful, right? By the way, this is just an element, so the element is a video. So the video duration is only this short, so we want to cover the whole video here. So what I'm going to do is to right click here and select copy. And the next thing, I want to put my playhead to this position and lock all the track below, and then I'm going to press Ctrl V to paste it again, Ctrl V again and again until the end of the video here. Okay, and we have a gap here. We can select the gap and right click and click close gap to close the gap. And now we have image and snow, and now the only thing we need here is the logo at the corner. By the way, I'm not going to use my logo, so yeah, I want to use just another elements inside here. So what I'm going to select here, Christmas greeting card, and we are going to use this one, Christmas greeting card with a Merry Christmas, and we are going to select it on the preview window and make it smaller and put it right here. Okay, very beautiful, right? And again, it is just an element, so we need to copy and paste it again. So what I'm going to do is to copy it, Ctrl C to copy, and then lock this track, and again I put my playhead here and Ctrl V until the end of the video. And also I need to close this gap also. Okay, so now we have this one, beautiful girls and some snow and a logo here. And the last thing, we want to add some title so people will know what is the music name and stuff like that. Okay, so the name of the song is Last My Mood, and the writer is Nico Stab. So we can just go ahead to the title. Easy, go to the title, and then we can find any title here. But maybe I can select a lower third, and then I'm going to select one of these lower third number. How about this one? And how about this one? Okay, so I decided to use the lower third number 32. Okay, just drag and drop it onto the timeline, and then we can right click at the title box here, and then select advanced edit to edit the text inside. Okay, so first thing I want to change it. The first one is the name of the song, Large My Mood. Okay, and I want to move it to this side, and for this one I want to write the writer name, so Nico Stuff. Very nice, right? And the next thing, we want to control the animation of the title. Okay, but let's click OK first to go back to the timeline. For the title, it is not the element, so we can extend the duration of the title here on the timeline. So I'm going to click at the edge of the title and then extend it to full length of the video. And then I'm going back to my advanced tab here to control the animation. So for this one, I think it should just appear at the same time. And to control the appear animation, we can just drag this line all the way to the left, and this is the same all the way to the left. And let's play it. Okay, slowly pop up on the screen, and I think it's okay. And we want to adjust this title to the end of the video also. We want to extend it to this one, and also make it disappear effect here, like this. Very nice. We can click OK. And the last thing I want to add to the video is the fade out effect for my image. So when the music is finished, we can fade out to black or stuff like that. So we can unlock this one, and then find the transition. Go to the transition. Okay, and this is a fade transition. We're going to use this one. Just drag and drop it onto the timeline, and now we have a fade out transition like this. Very nice, right? Okay, so we finished with the editing. Now we can export the video and upload it to YouTube. I'm going to show you quickly how to upload the video. Okay, so we can click here at the export option. Just click at the export, and now I need to log into my account. I have no idea because I have just used the software and it just logged out my account. So okay, we can click here to log in. And click next, and then I have to type my password. Okay, so it's successfully logged into my account, and we can click here export and put it the name of the music, Large My Mood version 2, because I already make another version here. And we can go to setting and make sure that you increase the bitrate to 30,000 kbps or stuff like that to get a good quality video also. And for the frame rate, I recommended using 30 fps because maybe it is smoother. Okay, and then we can click OK and then export, and wait a few seconds for the program to export the video. Alright, so that after a while the program finished exporting. Okay, so let's open the folder to view the file first. Let's double click to preview it. Alright, so now we need to upload it to YouTube, right? So I'm going to show you quickly on how to do that. Just close this one, and remember this is a file location, and you can just go to your YouTube channel again and click this button, create, and then you can click this button, upload the videos, and then you want to select the file. By the way, you can drag and drop it right here. So remember the location, right? Export, and this is a file, and we can just put it, drag and drop it to this area. Okay, and the next thing, you want to write the name, the song, name of the song, and write the description or stuff like that, and make some thumbnails. Maybe you want to create a thumbnail here or there, or maybe you want to just create a thumbnail right inside Filmora 10. For example, you can put the playhead at this position and go back to your media, and then you can take a snapshot of the full screen, and now you have a thumbnail. And use this one, right click, review in Explorer, and then you can just put it into your thumbnail here. By the way, just make sure that you have the correct size, because when you take a snapshot, it is not less than 2 megabytes. So you have to edit this image. For example, you can right click edit, and now you can resize it with a percentage 60 maybe, and then Ctrl S to save, and now it is 1.4 megabyte, and you can use it as a thumbnail. Okay, and then you can just select a playlist here. For example, you can select music or stuff like that, and then go to the tag area. Here you can say okay, music 5 and music for soul and stuff like that, anything. Okay, and then you can click next and turn on your monetization. Click done and next, and just again, and rating your content and submit rating. Okay, one moment, because YouTube is doing now. And click next, and then you're going to add an end screen or the cards or stuff like that, and click next, and no copyright issue, as suitability, meaning that your video we have no issue with copyright strike, and also you can make money with this video. Okay, and then you can click next and publish if you want. By the way, I'm going to put it in my library also only, so it is private. Okay, and you can click save. Alright, so that is easy, right? So that is how you can make a music video with no copyright resources on the internet, with the free music from YouTube library and free image from pixabay.com. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.